How's it going today, guys? If you're new to my channel, I want to introduce you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James, my wife Risha today. We're going to do some magnet fishing. If you guys are interested in the magnet, I'll put a link down in the description for Brute Magnetics. Use my discount code, it's IAA10. That will get you 10% off your purchase. And I want to give a shout out to the Magneteers. If you guys haven't watched them, you need to check them out. They have them up with some really good finds. Go hit the like, share, and subscribe on those guys. So we're gonna get the camera strapped on and get after it. All right, guys, went and got my wife. We're back at the bridge where I found the chainsaw. This time I'm gonna throw my Brute 3,600 pound double side, see if it'll hang on to that. If not, I'll break out the dock buster or the claw, see what it does. My wife's trying the other side of the bridge. Haven't tried it yet. Feels like we're already on something. My wife's laughing about something. Holy cow. It's all kinds of little wires and stuff. We'll get those cleaned off and in the bucket. Looks like we might have something on there, folks. Oh, it's a piece that goes in a driver to put different bits in it, like Phillips, flat, things like that. We just grab something if it'll stay on there, folks. Through all the brush. What in the world is that? I have no idea what that is. It almost looks like the arm or something off of a lawnmower. If any of you guys know what that goes to, be sure to let me know in the comments. That about scared me half to death, folks. That thing come crawling out of there. I just seen something moving. Poor little guy. We'll get him back in the water. I thought it was a snake at first. Glad it wasn't. Do you want the bigger magnet? Holy cow. I don't know what all that's from. There's nails in there. There's all kinds of wire. If you guys have any clue, let us know down in the comments. There's a screw in a piece of wire. I don't know. That's silly. Look what my wife got.
It looks like a stick.
That's an old, I believe that's an old piece of cable. It's magnetic. And that looks like that's off an old drawer or something. Good job. Back to you and me.
I bet that's shredded cable.
My wife found this other big wad of stuff. She thinks maybe it's shredded cable, and she may be right. That looks like the lid off of a can or something. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like an old can lid. Man, that place is loaded with that stuff. Good job. Oh, wife.
That's cool.
Has a lot of stuff. That looks... There's a nail. That's some kind of an old latch. Or, huh? It's got a wheel on it. I bet that was off of an old drawer too. That's just... I don't know what that is. It's an old hook off of like a ratchet strap or something. And she really nailed it. We'll have to pick all that up, see if we got something. Kind of feels like it. Yeah, we got something on there. Well, we got the bridge too. He did. Old spray nozzle for a garden hose. All right, folks, we do have something on there. Thought it felt a little heavier. A bar of some sort. You know what we haven't found here? We haven't found any rebar. That's unusual. All right, folks, pull a magnet up. Of course, it's so big you can't see. That's off like an old radio or something. There's no hinge. Well, folks, we got something on there. Magnet grabs a hold of something every little ways. It's like a door lock. Yep, that's exactly what that is, an old door lock. Huh. I've never found one of them before. We're locked on something right now. I'm trying to wiggle it loose. It might be coming, folks. I got it loose if I can get it up here. Oh, I just dropped it. I don't know what I got. I'm trying to move it over shallower water. It's got some weight, whatever it is. What in the world is that? Oh. It looks like a box, folks. Looks like a metal box. Yeah, you might. My wife's gonna get her magnet, so maybe we can get them both on it. And hopefully not get our magnets stuck together. Can you see me do that? That's the bridge, dear.
Yes.
There, don't hurt yourself. All right, I can see the edge of it. My magnet's on one edge. Looks like there's oil coming out of it.
Yep. Maybe back here.
Get right in there somewhere. Drop it down there. It's closer to the bridge a little bit. There you go. All right, pick it up. You know what that is? I don't know if it's stereo. I think it's a computer brain or whatever it's called. Well, we got each other now. Oh. Nailed it. All right, folks, after the fight, end up getting both magnets on it. Getting it out of the water. Dropped it on my toe. And I guess that's what it is, a computer. What do they call that? It's not the monitor.
Modem, but
Modem.
yeah. It's a Dell.
It's a Dell. Think it'll work, guys? First computer I found. Man, that was a job getting that bad boy out of there. It was laying down flat, so it was creating a suction against the mud, and when we got to the edge we couldn't get it out of there. We're going to leave it like that for a little bit, see if any friendlies come out of there. That's pretty cool though. First computer. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up, guys. That helps me bring you more videos. Until next time, Mrs. Beard and Beard out.